Welcome to this tutorial on the benefits of using Bill4Time QuickBooks integration. As a business owner or accountant, you are likely familiar with the importance of efficient time tracking and billing. In this guide, we will explore how integrating Bill4Time with QuickBooks can streamline your workflow and improve your bottom line. First, let's discuss what Bill4Time is. Bill4Time is a time tracking and billing software that allows you to easily track time spent on projects and generate invoices. It is designed for professionals who need to track time and expenses for billing purposes. Next, let's talk about QuickBooks. QuickBooks is a popular accounting software that helps you manage your finances, including invoicing, expenses, and payments. By integrating Bill4Time with QuickBooks, you can seamlessly sync your time tracking and billing data with your accounting system. So, why use Bill4Time QuickBooks integration? The main benefits include increased efficiency, reduced errors, and improved financial visibility. With this integration, you can automatically sync your time tracking data with QuickBooks, eliminating the need for manual data entry and reducing the risk of errors. For example, let's say you are a lawyer who uses Bill4Time to track time spent on client projects. With the QuickBooks integration, you can automatically generate invoices in QuickBooks based on the time tracking data in Bill4Time. This saves you time and reduces the risk of billing errors. Another benefit of the integration is improved financial visibility. By syncing your time tracking and billing data with QuickBooks, you can get a clear picture of your financial performance and make informed decisions about your business. In terms of best practices, it's essential to set up the integration correctly to ensure seamless data transfer. This includes mapping your Bill4Time accounts to your QuickBooks accounts and setting up the correct billing rules. In conclusion, the Bill4Time QuickBooks integration is a powerful tool that can help you streamline your workflow and improve your financial management. By automating the transfer of time tracking and billing data, you can reduce errors, increase efficiency, and gain better visibility into your financial performance. Whether you are a small business owner or a large enterprise, this integration can help you save time and improve your bottom line.